Free thinkers. If you are not doubted or being disliked for your goals, then your goals aren't big enough. You need to make your goals so big that when you tell people about them, if you choose to do so, they say, yeah, okay, okay. But deep down, they're like, I don't like you. I just don't like that person. Make your goals so big that they scare other people. Welcome back to Grow Rich, Grow Happy, that place where we follow the breadcrumbs to wealth. Guys, I was doing some thinking, as I always do. I'm a big thinker. And it's about Daya, and that's what this video is about. It's about Daya, but it's also mainly about trying to convince a lot of you why this right here, this is something special, and why at the price that it is today, guys, you could do a lot less. This is not financial advice. As always, when I made this crypto channel, I wanted to help as many people as I could, because a lot of people I know, and I know a lot of people, a lot of them are not into crypto. They know about crypto because of me, and a few of them dibble and dabble in crypto, but they're not as all in crypto as I am. And the biggest reason for that is because they don't understand crypto. They don't understand it. They don't understand a lot of these projects that us, the Grow Rich, Grow Happy community, we know are groundbreaking. We know are going to melt faces. We know are going to create millionaires and life-changing finances and generational wealth for those that continue to go on with these investments that we talk about. So I was thinking, and I said, I just made my first video on Daya because, this is my first time really taking a really good look at it. And it told me, like, man, how do I get this across to people? And I started thinking, what don't people understand? And then I thought about myself and how I missed out on Bitcoin way back when I could have gotten in Bitcoin for $300 or $400. A lot of you who just signed up, this is the first time you're hearing this story. A lot of other people who's been here a long time, you're tired of hearing this story. But basically, in the roundabout way, the true reason I missed out on Bitcoin is because I didn't understand it when that opportunity was brought to me. I didn't invest in Bitcoin because I didn't understand. I didn't know what it was. I was like, what is a Bitcoin? And the only thing the person could tell me is that it's $300 or $400. It's a possibility, great possibility, that it is going to chauffeur in a new economic system, and it's going to hurt the dollar really bad. And I just didn't get it. He told me to do my own research. I didn't do my own research, and here we go, above $60,000 now later. So I said, how do I explain this to people? Daya, because I feel like this is one of those opportunities. I've talked about a lot of opportunities on this channel. This is one that I'm talking about for the second time, for the first time, if that makes sense. Talked about it yesterday. So I'm going to explain Daya, and I'm going to try to put it to you guys like this and I'm going to explain that in a minute, what it is, because that's the problem. People, I feel like you hear people talk about crypto, but no one really brings it down to the level of, I don't understand crypto. What is it? Why do we need this crypto token or project that you guys are talking about? What is so special about it? So that's what I want to talk about in this video. It's not going to be long, but I'm watching this price of Daya just starts to catch on. And I'm like, I need to let you guys know about this. If this is your first time here, guys, consider subscribing. If not, just smash that like button. Smash that like button. It really does wonders for the community, the channel, but especially for videos like Daya. Because I feel like this is one that's flying under the radar that a lot of people would could use some knowledge on. So if that sounds great to you guys, check out all of the stuff I got down below for you. And let's just jump straight over here to Daya. and before we do that, we're gonna talk about. I'm gonna explain to you guys. Daya is an oracle, and I know this channel has a lot of beginners on it, a ton of beginners, and that's what it's meant for, to help. It's meant for all crypto enthusiasts, but the beginners, I like to catch you guys early because I was a beginner at one point. So you have to understand what an oracle is at first, and the best way to do that is to look at an oracle. Basically, you have blockchains. Everybody know what a blockchain is. It's what crypto operates on. Then you have these smart contracts on these blockchains that are there to perform certain things. Well, if you have this and all of this is taking place on the blockchain, um, the problem with a lot of blockchains is they can't interact with the real world too well. So if you have, there could be some price discrepancies, and you'll see it sometimes with different websites. You might see CoinGecko list a token price for a different price than Coin Market Cap. A lot of people say, well, why they off by so much, or why is some of this information wrong? And oracles can help with stuff like that, because what they're meant to do is go out and get real world information, stock prices, crypto prices, things of that nature, and they deliver that back to the blockchain so everything is accurate. Everyone needs something like that, especially with where we're going with crypto, Web3. You need this information to be as accurate as possible, and that's where projects and companies like Daya, they come in extremely handy, because that is what they do. They provide these oracles, and they're like a one-stop shop. You come in, you tell them what you need this oracle to do, and then they provide it for you. You integrate it with your blockchain, and boom, you have business. So that's what makes them so great, because everyone needs it. And with crypto growing and growing, and Web3 coming, and real world assets are just the talk of the town now, you need something you need a company that can provide something to everyone. To everyone. So that's what makes them so special. And with that said, we're going to jump over here. We're going to check out this price. As you see, they're doing pretty good here considering the last 7 days. Disclaimer, I did pick up some more this morning. And I hate buying when things are going up like this, but I often tell myself also, is this like something I'm just trying to make a quick buck on? Because if so, I'm going to wait for it to drop, and get in. I mean, because look at this right now. A lot of people could just sell on some of the stuff I bought. I bought a little bit cheaper than this though. But I'm looking at this like I don't plan on selling no time soon. I'm riding this through the bull cycle. I plan to keep some. But yeah, so that was why I chose to grab more, because the more I learn, and I've been researching, because I want to bring it to you guys in a way that you can understand it, so that you don't miss out on opportunities like this. So, but again, it's not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. So that's what I did. So we're looking. I love that the supply is scarce, and it's one that they have burning mechanisms in place, and they're gonna have the whole staking and everything is going to help to keep the price regulated, so that investors like us can make some money. These guys, they're doing some things, guys. Look at this volume. This volume is up. We're looking at over $118 million has been deployed into this thing within 24 hours, guys. So that's a great thing. Now I want to jump over here. I'm telling you guys, for anybody who missed it yesterday, you can pick these guys up on Coinbase, which is great. You can pick them up on Binance. You can pick them up on a lot of these different places. You got KuCoin, but again, if you're in the United States, we can't deal with them. They actually have it on crypto.com. Guys, they're everywhere, so that's great too, because it's more accessible to the retail investors like us, which means more people can get in, which means the price can rise. The guy who put me on this, the guy Eddie, he pointed out to me yesterday that if you look back when they made their all-time high, $5.79 back in 2021, that was pre Coinbase listing. So imagine if they was on Coinbase back then, how far this token would have took off, guys. So what I want to talk about today real quick is I want to explain to you what an oracle is and why it is a necessity. It's not even one of those, I want an oracle, or we don't really need it. You need it if you're a business and a developer and you're dealing in cryptocurrency. So, what I'm going to do, and just to let you know, I'm pop over here, but I'm on there. I'm going to pop over to their website, and the link is right here. I'm on CoinMarketCap. I'm gonna go over here, and this is their website. Now, I checked out this because what I wanted to show you guys right quick. So you come over here, and I'm in the developer. So you come over here to the chains. And you click on their chains. These are the chains that they're already integrated with, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. These are the integrated blockchains that these guys are working with. So you tell me they're not here to stay. Look at all these names, and we kind of went over them a little bit yesterday. But here, what I like about this page is it tells you exactly how they're integrated with these guys. And let's just go down to one we know, Avalanche. Let's look at Avalanche. So we can already see that they already have their Oracle working with their token prices, so that's correct. And they're working with their NFT prices and different things to make sure that is as accurate as possible. And you see something over here, Random List and Oracle Builder. They do have a section on that. I'm not going to go over that right now because I'm going to be honest with you. A lot of you guys probably wouldn't even understand it. I'm not trying to say that because honestly, some of it I was reading, it was like giving me a headache. But because I'm looking at this from purely an investment standpoint and why just an average everyday person, beginner to crypto, who wants to allocate a few funds to crypto to make some money would want to consider something like this. So this is why. That's what I'm going to stick with. So you have the BNB chain. Guys, the big chain. One I haven't heard in a long time is the Boba Network. I haven't heard that one in a long time, but look at this. Look at this list here, guys. These are all the chains that these guys are currently Oracle for. And then what I like about this one, they let you go in on Cadena. I'm going to leave this page actually pinned down below so you guys can check it out. But they're telling you here what they're doing. And this is Cadena. They're letting you know how they're integrated with them. But we can do better than that for you guys because, again, this is why you should be in a project like this and what it is. Because you guys, when you're doing your research, you need to know what you're getting off into. So I'm going to come back over here, and I saw something really, really cool that I was looking at. Let me see. I'm go over here and go to data. I'm going to come down here because they have something that I love. And where was it? Okay, where are we at? Introduction. All right. Supported tokens, integrated introduction of token price feeds. I believe this was it right here. I believe this might have been it. Nope. Yeah, this was it. All right. Okay, here we go, guys. The problem, and again, if you're a good company, you're a smart company, and you plan on having some longevity and to be able to destroy the competitors and be that person that everybody comes to, why do we need Dia price oracles? Okay, here's the problem. Opaque data, unreliable pricing. Traditional oracle providers depend on third-party data sources, which often lack transparency and can be manipulated. This is the problem. This leads to inaccurate asset pricing and potential losses for stakeholders. And if stakeholders lose money, the company itself is going to fall flat. So you don't want that. Here's the solution. Transparent, resilient oracles. This is what they provide. Dia provides price feeds 100% transparency sourced directly from high volume central exchanges and decentralized exchanges, customizable for any use case, ensuring resilient data and pioneering a new standard for oracles. So they're already setting themselves apart from the competition. I like that. And I like the fact that all of these people are already doing business with them. So it begs begs people to wonder, like, why haven't I heard about these guys? So a lot of times, guys, when you look at things like YouTube, a lot of people don't even know who own YouTube, right? A lot of people don't know who own a lot of your favorite Fortune or these Fortune 500 companies. A lot of people don't even know who are attached to these companies, who are attached to them. And it makes a big difference because if you can invest in the bottom line, the person who everybody is getting their sources from, you're going to make a lot of money. It's like cutting out the middleman. It's like cutting out the middleman. So a lot of us, we invest in things like Arbitrum and Avalanche and Binance and all of these different ones, but a lot of people don't know that a lot of their information that they're getting is provided by Oracle, which is Daya. So this is as the more I read, the more I say, wow, wow. So I'm gonna go back up here, and I want to go back up here for another thing I want to show you guys. Uh, Another thing I saw that I really like. Okay, they are very accessible. They Everything I saw on there was like how to contact us if you want a Oracle. They even have a page set up where these big businesses and developers they can go in and they could have an Oracle like customized and done right there on the spot within 3 minutes and deployed onto their exchange. So I thought that was one stop shop, like fast food. I thought that was great. So I look at stuff like that, guys, and they're plugged into everyone. That's the other cool thing. Let me see. Let me go back over here. NFT data, of course. So you can request. You can request one. And hold on, another thing I saw because they actually tell about their pricing right here. Hold on. Token resources. Okay, case study. It's so much, guys. That's why I'm picking and I'm choosing what to get you all guys off in because a lot of this is going one ear, not the other. So I just want to make sure you have the best information. Here we go. They're supported tokens. Here it is, right here. The supported tokens, guys. These are the supported tokens that they currently are integrated into a lot of our favorite exchanges with. So look at all these. Look at the tokens that are integrated. I expect to see Casper up there soon. I did a search. I didn't see Casper anywhere. And they got 3,000 right now, guys. And they're steady adding to this list. But these are the ones that people are, these sites are currently using their Oracle to provide updated information on. So I think this alone, guys, is everything. So you look at the current space we're in, it's not a surprise that these guys are taking off like they are. I'm really, really, they're killing it. Of course, if this is something you're interested in, always do your own research, guys. I'll provide the information down below every now and then. I'll jump in and I'll say maybe you should be taking a look at this. Also, jump over to Twitter. Follow them on Twitter. A gentleman asked me earlier, I want to say yesterday, if I had a Twitter page. Yes, I do. You can follow me at Mr. Foresight 64. My page is right here. You can follow me right here, guys. But if you look down over here, guys, they have a wealth of information. And I was checking this out too. The one thing that the community is waiting on the most and they're more excited about is the DIA staking when this goes live. 57% of people are looking for that. That, again, it gives me those ICP vibes. People are going to be able to and I'm just speculating here. They're going to be able to stake, make passive income. I'm actually DCAing in right now. I'm buying on these small dips that we have, and I plan on possibly staking some. But I'm really psyched about where these guys are going to go in the immediate future, and I definitely see them going way above this $5.79 price. That's chump change compared to where these guys are going to go, especially looking at their token supply, their max supply of 200 million. In the realm of crypto, guys, that's really nothing. Again, we're almost at 100 million market cap with still a small cap token. So imagine when these guys get to a large cap token, or just even a mid cap, guys, we're going to be rolling in the dough. So guys, this is what that video was about. I wanted to, and I hope I did that. I hope especially for the beginner out there, you don't want to spend a lot of money on something that you don't understand. Take it from me, who missed out on Bitcoin. Do some research on this one, especially. Actually, on all of the tokens that we're talking about, but this one right here, this one is so plugged into the blockchain, and all of the different projects and Binance and all of these guys. They're so plugged into these guys that I really think it's worth your time to do some research and understand what an oracle is. And once you understand that and understand the importance of an oracle and what its job is, you'll look at something like this and say, yeah, this right here, this is one of those breadcrumbs to wealth. So guys, let me know down below if you hold this, or if you're planning on buying any DIA. Let me know down below if you do hold any. Let me know how many you hold. I'm really curious, and let me know if you plan on staking. And yeah, to the next one. I'm out.